Hello, in front of me I've got HORI Split Pad Pro. In this video I'll show you how to assign back buttons. In HORI Split Pad Pro you can assign the left controller buttons to FL or assign right controller buttons to FR. Available button functions for left button are L, ZL, left stick, control pad up, down, left, right, and for FR are R button, ZR, R stick, ABXY. To assign it, press and hold assign button and press the button you want to assign, and it's done. To disable assignment, press and hold assign button and then press FL or FR. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.